course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, as it is a plethora of goodies. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's get into this wig right here. So I definitely feel like the Amazon of wigs is totally exploding, and I'm in love with it all. This wig right here is actually from one of the brands called Morvally. Right here, I did a wig review for them right up here for this golden Marilyn Monroe platinum blonde. So this wig is like the next step up. White, blonde. I mean, this literally can't get any whiter. So this is a 24-inch, everybody. 24-inch. Check that out. Straight white wig with no roots. Absolutely no roots. So you can literally do whatever you want to this awesome wig. So let's just get into this wig by Morvally, and of course the link is down below for this wig. Let's look at the inside of the wig. So right here, the wig, we have 3 clips for this wig total. 2 clips on the side and 1 clip in the middle. I never use this clip. If you ladies really use this clip, let me know how and why you'd use them. I mean, I think this is for like the wig caps that are more meshy, or not mesh, but like a fishnet style. I don't know. I mean, let me know. I want to know about it. And then also, I will tell you that this wig is, and actually all of these Amazon wigs that I have tried, they are big head friendly, hands down. I actually feel like from trying on all these wigs that I actually maybe have a smaller head. So I actually have to really put these on the tightest settings possible. If not, sometimes I actually loop it into the lace in the inside, because it's just not tight enough for me. So let's get into again with this wig. So this is actually also heat resistant. This is heat resistant. It doesn't exactly tell you the degrees in the information, but I would gather normally around 340 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 is normally average for a heat resistant wig. Also, this has a 2.5-inch parting right here, and then it changes to the back. Also, what's super great about this wig is that it comes with 2 wig caps. So if you ran out, you can't find them, boom, you're in business as soon as you open the bag. So I actually will be using the wig caps that I currently have from Amazon as well. So I'll leave the link down below for those. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. Talk about the deal of the century. I love it. So we'll put a wig cap on right here. This wig is like super long, so this is why I have a different lens, because you guys gotta see a lot more of it, and I'm still gonna have to back it up a little bit. So I put my wigs on front to back. So here we go. Boom, boom. Electric white. Electric. So look at this. I mean, it's very full, and now I've done nothing. All I've done to this wig is just cut the lace off. I've done nothing else. One thing I have purchased for myself, which is arriving, is thinning shears and also the razor comb to help thin out the front and creating the baby hairs for the wigs, but I literally haven't done anything but cut this off. So as you can see, it is seriously long. Well, seriously long, 24 inches, but I feel like, I mean, I'm 5'7". That's almost at my waist, or just about at my waist. And I feel like the lace front is nude, so it really it falls really nicely on your head. I cannot lie to you. This wig also has minimal shedding, minimal shedding and tangles. You know, I was just wearing it for about 1 hour. It just tangles minimally. Like honestly, like super long wigs generally do tangle, but nothing aggressive for this piece right here. So I do love this wig, and also what I love about it, I'm gonna need your assistance, everybody, is we're gonna be transforming this wig. What are we gonna be doing? So the best thing about having a super white wig and literally at this straight long length is that you treat a wig like regular hair. If you wanna cut it short. If you wanna curl it, if you wanna do any kind of style, and also if you wanna color it. So clearly having a white wig is like having a blank canvas. So I want you, and I'm gonna I'm gonna roll out a video of me transforming this wig into another color or style. So let me know. I'm gonna go on whatever you guys want me to do with it. Do we want to do like hot pink? Do I want to do like a turquoise? What color should we change this wig to? Because I'm gonna be filming it and we're gonna have fun. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment down below with that. And honestly, I'd love to hear what you guys think, or if you actually have this wig in this color. I actually would love to see you in it. So reach out to me on Instagram. My profile is down below for you to send me your pictures of your wigs, this wig, your beauty, your fashion. I want to know what you ladies are up to, and gentlemen. So again, this wig is from Morvally and it's from Amazon. It's a really great deal. It's under $40, which is what I absolutely love. And it is honestly like a canvas for opportunity for whatever you want to create with it. And of course, if I just wanted to create a root on it, I could easily just do that. I thought about putting just a hot pink root on here, but I'm gonna hold off until what we decide on what we're gonna do for the color. So I really appreciate all of you watching. Check this wig out. It's a lot of fun. And honestly, like I said, opportunity for whatever you want to create with it. So thank you all for watching, and we will see you soon. Bye.